So today we're gonna talk about an organization which we all must have heard about and which is of extreme importance to our country. Yes, the organization is Reserve Bank of India, that is RBI. RBI is the Central Bank of India, which means that it's above all other banks in India, and it is also a member of IMF. The current governor of RBI is Shaktikant Das. Now let's see what is the history of RBI. It was established on suggestions of Royal Commission of Indian Currency and Finance in 1926 और इस कमीशन को हिल्टन यंग कमीशन के नाम से भी जाना जाता है. It was established on 1st April 1935 in accordance with the Reserve Bank of India Act 1934, which means that it is a statutory body. The central office, which means जहाँ पर गवर्नर बैठते हैं, वो पहले कैलकाटा में था, but in 1937 इसे मुंबई में शिफ्ट कर दिया गया था. Originally, it was privately owned, but then in 1949 it was nationalized, so now it is owned by Government of India. और RBI से पहले इसके द्वारा किए जाने वाले सभी फंक्शंस इंपीरियल बैंक ऑफ इंडिया परफॉर्म करता था. टॉकिंग अबाउट द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ RBI, तो सेंट्रल बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स इज द टॉप डिसीजन मेकिंग बॉडी इन RBI, विच कंसिस्ट ऑफ ऑफिशियल एंड नॉन ऑफिशियल मेंबर्स. ऑफिशियल मेंबर्स में सबसे पहले आते हैं गवर्नर एंड देन मैक्सिमम 4 डेप्यूटी गवर्नर, जिन्हें सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट अपॉइंट करती है फॉर अ टर्म ऑफ 5 years और टिल द एज ऑफ 62. और नॉन ऑफिशियल डायरेक्टर्स में टोटल 16 मेंबर्स होते हैं, जिसमें 4 डायरेक्टर्स लोकल बोर्ड को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, विच आर लोकेटेड इन डिफरेंट रीजन्स ऑफ इंडिया, नेमली न्यू दिल्ली, चेन्नई, कोलकाता एंड मुंबई. एंड अदर 12 मेंबर्स आर नॉमिनेटेड बाय RBI, हैविंग एक्सपर्टीज इन वेरियस सेक्टर्स ऑफ इंडियन इकोनॉमी. दे होल्ड मिनिमम 6 मीटिंग्स एवरी ईयर, बट सेंट्रल बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स हर वीक मिलता है. Then there are 2 assistive bodies of CBD, that is Board of Financial Supervision, which supervises the commercial banks, NBFCs and financial institutions, and the other one is Board of Payment and Settlement, which regulates the payment and settlement system. Both of these are chaired by RBI governor. Then comes the local board, जिसमें there are 4 regional offices in Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai and New Delhi. It consists of 5 members appointed by Government of India for a term of 4 years to represent the regional interests of cooperative and indigenous banks. It also has 33 departments, 19 regional offices and 11 sub-offices at present. Then we talk about RBI subsidiaries. They generally refers to the companies which are fully owned by RBI. The 3 of them are Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation, which provides insurance of deposits and guaranteeing of credit facilities. The second one is National Housing Bank, which promotes and provides financial support to the housing finance institutions. And the third one is Bharatiya Reserve Bank Note Mudra Private Limited, which prints Indian rupees for RBI. So now we talk about the functions of RBI. It formulates the monetary policy, which means it is responsible for regulation of repo rate, reverse repo rate, cash reserve ratio, etc. to ensure price stability considering economic growth of the country. It is sole issuer of currency, which means पूरी कंट्री में करेंसी का सप्लाई RBI करता है, या करेंसीज इशू तो करता ही है, साथ ही उनको डिस्ट्रॉय भी करता है, which are not fit for circulation. It manages foreign exchange and maintains the value of rupee outside the country. Then it is the regulator and administrator of financial system, which means commercial banks की functioning को regulate करता है, like license issuing, bank merger, branch expansion, etc. It acts as banker to the government, and there are also some developmental roles of RBI, like agricultural finance के लिए arrangement करना. So as told earlier, RBI maintains the money supply in the market. It does it through different measures. One of them, which is recently adopted by RBI, is Operation Twist. Operation Twist में basically central bank एक ही टाइम पर short term securities को बेचकर long term securities खरीदता है through open market operation, which is nothing but buying and selling of securities to infuse or absorb liquidity in system. ये ऑपरेशन सबसे पहले यूएस में कंडक्ट कराया गया था. आरबीआई ने सबसे पहले ऑपरेशन ट्विस्ट 23 दिसंबर 2019 में किया था, then on 30th December 2019, and then again on 6th January 2020. Now, why Operation Twist is conducted? To decrease interest rate for long-term investment और मार्केट में मनी का फ्लो बढ़ाने के लिए, जिससे डिमांड में इंक्रीज होगा, which will further increase job opportunities. So this was all about RBI. Thank you for watching the video and we welcome your suggestions in the comment box below. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.